Today we're starting area without using blocks or tiles. To understand the difference between perimeter and area of polygons, and a polygon means a shape, a two-dimensional shape with more than three sides or three or more sides. Think of perimeter as the fence around your yard, because when you measure perimeter, you measure the distance around an object, and think of area as the space inside the yard. You could also think of it like a piece of bread. The perimeter is the crust of your bread, and the area is the white soft part. Area is two-dimensional. That means it's flat. It has a length and a width, and it is measured in square units, such as square inches, square feet, or square meters. The area of a polygon is the number of square units inside the polygon.
Outside, measure around the window or a door, add up the length of all sides. It's the outside. It's all around the outside. It's good. The river is the outside. Area means the inside. Cover the surface that's inside. Measure the length and measure the width, and then you multiply. Well, maybe I'll rock a cushion carpet, or maybe I'll make the wheels and squares. I'll just make sure I multiply the length by the width, my square units inside. It's the area. That's good. The area's the inside. Multiply the area's the inside. It's good. Square units on the inside. It's all around the outside. It's good. The area's the inside. Multiply square units on the inside.
Okay, so again, we're talking about measuring, so we need to stop and remember area is a measurement, so it always needs to include a unit of measure. And for area specifically, we have to make sure that unit of measure is a square unit, not just a unit. So we will measure area in square inches instead of inches, or square miles, square meters, not just miles and meters. Okay, so what is the area of a rectangle? Well, you've probably done it already where you find the area by counting all of these blocks. But there is a much quicker way to find the area of a rectangle or a square. This only works for rectangles and squares. This does not work for triangles, circles, any other shapes. To do the area of a rectangle, you simply need one length and one width. For perimeter, we need to know all these side lengths. For area, we only need two, but you need to make sure you don't have these two. You need one of these and one of these. And then to solve for area, you simply multiply them together. So there is a formula for area. It is area equals length times width. So the length of this shape is 9, and the width is 5. So if we solve, 9 times 5 is 45. Our answer is 5, and then do not forget your unit of measure, square units, since we don't have a key. It does not tell us if it's inches, miles, or meters. Okay, let's do these. Now for these, we have to actually count the units down the side to find what the side lengths are. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Multiply them together, 3 times 2, and your area is 6 square units. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiply them together, and you get 18 square units. Now, on these particular ones, there is a way you can check your answer. You can go in here and count these squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know you're correct. You can count all these, and you'll come up with 18 and know you're correct. So, you go ahead and do B and C on your own and see how you do. Next is the area of a square. Now we all know squares are special because squares have 4 sides that are all the same length. So to do the area of a square, you simply multiply one of the sides by another side. It's exactly like area, but your length and width will be the same number. So area still equals length times width, but these two numbers will be the same if we're talking about a square. So 7 times 7 equals 49 square units. You do these. Again, you need to count the sides yourself to come up with the numbers you need to use.